In today's world, coronavirus has become very much powerful and there is no vaccine or medicine of it, so we have to stay careful. The main spreading system of the COVID-19 is touching, and whenever you touch on your face or any type of surface, the virus become spreading on your body or the area, and because of that I have made an alarm system that don't allows you to touch on your face. And this is my alarm system. You can see this whenever I try to touch on my face, that alarms alerting me to don't touch my face. To make this device you will need some Arduino Uno, two IR sensor. I am using one for testing. Here is a buzzer. You have to connect to the jumper like this. One box, some jumper wires. Let's make it, and of course this is a test project. Now at first I have to connect all the things, and you can see the connections. I write it on the top, and here I have connected them, and you have to make a power supply like this to fit on your pocket. And you guys can see the LEDs, and the LED is running. The device is fully functional, and you have to fix this like this. And yeah, this is ready, and you have to just put it like this on your pocket, and the sensor will be under your shirt or clothes, and on the hand you have to just put it like this, and it is ready. If you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share the video to your near and dear ones. Bye bye.